Hello, guys. This is Paul McMillan II, and welcome to another um, live session, Asian session. And we're going to be trading micro gold futures. Um, so let's check the news here. I don't think we have any news this evening. So no, we did a bit there. Well, actually, we got unemployment at 8:30, but I don't think it's going to be major. So we'll watch out for this at 8:30. So now, when we look at our daily bias, it looks like this candle closed bullish, bearish, but it's not a lot of volume. So we're not going to wait a bit to develop our bias off of that. It actually looks like they open up bullish. But the open is steady. Yeah. I'm sorry. It opened up bearish. Yep, right here. Without a lot of volume. So let's go ahead to the 4 hour. Looks like we got still got consolidation here. So not a lot of volume. I mean, it's starting to get some volume here, but not really. So let's go ahead and mark up our point of interest in our buy side and sell side. So this is going to be our sell side liquidity here. So this low wiped out this previous low, then buy side liquidity up here. So we got sell side liquidity here, and then we got buy side liquidity here. And then we're going to mark up our most recent point of interest, which is probably going to be around this area. So we'll just double check. So now we can just make sure. Yep. So this is going to be our 4 hour point of interest here. We're going to mark this at. And then, of course, we have our external liquidity here and external liquidity up here. I'm sorry. We have internal liquidity here, so I probably might mark that up. So let's go to the 4 hour, see where we're at. Now, if you look at the overall market, it is overall bullish, but we are currently bearish. We can actually see that here because it looks like, well, actually currently bullish. As we built this chops level and broke this chops level, so we're actually currently bullish. But let's make sure that that is confirmed in the 1 hour as well. So when we look here, so this is our 4 hour fair value gap. Looks like that we might actually we have a raid here, so price might actually be going bullish. So we are bullish. Raid here, fair value gap closed. So now we want to see if price can actually manipulate this area. So we'll actually we could put our internal liquidity on the market here. And this is the buy side. So now if we were to take this on the 1 hour, looks like price is going bearish. So we will wait to see if this fair value gap get validated and maybe set price all the way down to this fair value gap. Or maybe down here if price decides to go in that direction. But let's go to the 15-minute time frame here. So yeah, we can see that there was a raid here. And we had external liquidity. So we have our liquidity sweep, and then we wait for fair value gap close. So price invalidates this fair value gap. We could probably take it down to maybe this low. Let's see the 5 minute is saying. Yeah, so you really got a fair value gap close here. This might be a good entry right here. Yeah, this is looking good. Yeah, the fair value gap close here. So if the next candle invalidates this fair value gap close, we might be able to actually take this down to here. So let me actually put this as probably put this as TP1, the bottom of this fair value gap. Then you can make this TP2. So we could probably do that. This is a clear entry, so let me go ahead and just take it. Put my stop loss here. And run into my paper trading account. Switch to my futures account here. Trade. 32. Going to 22. Stop. And pause recording. All right, so I'm going to hold this trade now. Volume is not going to come in for another 30 minutes. So we'll see if we get something out of this. I'm just going to bring more trade, try to get my skill back. I'm going to get this in the phone for nothing got you. So we'll see what happens here. I will be right back. If you end up in some pocket to get close to TP average in this report, I will be right back. Looks like we might be getting some more volume when we added fair value got close. So we'll see what happens in about 5 minutes or so. I will be right back. See if I can move this up to get on these really good for this TP to 60, but that's good. So let's see if we hit our TP. Once we get 10 seconds in the next candle, I'll see what I will be right back. But we're getting close to hitting TP. See if we hit it. To the next candle closes. Um, 3 seconds in. 3, was like 3, 2, 1. So it causes some more volume. So if we end up being closer to our TP than I was really supported, so I will be right back. We might be close to hitting TP. We'll see what this next candle does. It looks like volume is starting to push in. We got close to hitting this TP. Oh, oh, this bit looks like it used to roll to me. This doesn't look like you sweet. I have to wait for price to manipulate this fair value gap before the size to go back there and then it causes support. Yeah, it might be manipulating this now. Just recording. All right, so I just hit my TP. It's starting to drop, but we made some profit. And let's see, it's like here at $275. So let me go ahead and document my results again during this session. I will be right back. You can see price smashed our TP. We got through on the 3-bar pattern. And so we ran this trade. So that's it for this trade, guys. In this session. See you guys next time. Bye.